Hey everyone, Hannah here with ColDesi. I'm going to show you all today step by step how to apply DigitalHeat FX transfers to ball caps. So I'm going to head on over to my print optimizer software and press print. Now we are using our Oki 8432 to print these transfers, and we are using all 11 by 17 inches of our Easy Peel 2-step paper. Now the first step that we do with this paper we call our marrying process. This is where the polymer from our B sheet of paper is going to transfer to only the toner that is laid down on the A sheet of paper. We are using our Hotronix Fusion heat press for this, where we have programmable presets, so I can customize the time, temperature, and pressure for each of the steps of the process for our Easy Peel paper. During this peeling process, we're going to do it slow and steady, but making sure that our transfer is hot the whole time and staying on that lower plane. The cap we are using today is our Port Authority Dry Zone baseball cap, and you can find that on Coleman & Company. We are also using a small Teflon pillow, as well as our flexible finishing sheet. And then we have our cut out transfers. And again, you can find all these products on colemanandcompany.com. My Teflon pillow is flexible, and what it's doing is it's gonna help me raise up this loose part of the ball cap that we have on top here. So I'm gonna secure my cap in place, and we are using our Hotronix cap press for this. I'm gonna pull the lever, and then it's tight in there, so I'll get even pressure on the whole head of the cap. I'm going to position my transfer on my cap, and then when it's done in the heat press, I'm gonna let it cool completely before I rip my transfer off. Now, as you can see, it's a little shiny, so my finishing press is going to turn that shine into a nice matte finish. If you were used to doing full color hats with vinyl, you will notice how much time and effort we saved by doing this custom hat with DigitalHeat FX. No longer do you need to cut multiple rolls of vinyl, weed, and layer perfectly. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on the products we used today, contact us at ColDesi.com.